back to my channel, guys. Today we are going to learn what Hobbit: An Unexpected Journey taught us, especially in 2020. So here are a few points. I hope you enjoy this video. Please subscribe, and if you have any comments, please write down below. And if you want to share this video, please do that. All right, so let's start. Number one is obviously has to be never say no. We all know Hobbit is somebody who's so content with himself, and when the opportunity knocks at his door, he's the first one to say no. Of course, he didn't know what lies ahead, but that's exactly what we have to learn from this, right?
I'm looking for someone to share in an adventure.
An adventure? Now, I don't imagine anyone west of Bree would have much interest in adventures. Nasty, disturbing, uncomfortable things.
If there's any opportunity on your door, you should take it if you know that this opportunity can actually make you grow. If there is anything good in it, I would suggest you to take it for sure, because you never know. You have to be sometimes foresighted to see where that opportunity can actually take you. Fear is something which definitely holds you to take that opportunity. So this was the number one learning from Hobbit: An Unexpected Journey. Number two, get out of your comfort zone. Now, Hobbit, as I said before, was content. He was happy with his beautiful, beautiful house, which, by the way, if you want to see when this is all over, the pandemic, you can actually go to New Zealand and go to the Hobbit journey. It's just beautiful. I haven't been, but I've seen the pictures. So he's content, he has food, he has a lifestyle, he likes it, he's comfortable. But of course, he realizes, is that enough? Is that enough for him to get up in the morning, have food, live alone, and that's it? No, right? So that realization makes him run for this adventurous life ahead. You have to be self-aware, you have to introspect, and you have to get out there. And let me tell you, growth is when you get out of that comfort zone. So if you're somebody who's struggling with it, maybe this is a sign. So get out of the comfort zone is the number two learning from Hobbit: An Unexpected Journey.
I signed it.
Right, the next point is pass the test. Now let's be honest, life is actually a test. You have to survive, you have to get out of the situation by testing it. You know, sometimes it's going to make you work harder, sometimes it's going to make you think harder, sometimes it's going to shake you up. And that is exactly what happens to Hobbit and Gollum, where they're trying to give each other some riddles, and they both are trying to get out of this situation, especially Hobbit.
Time's up.
Time. The answer is time.
If you make a plan today that tomorrow morning I'm going to get up and do my workout, you get up in the morning. Now you have let's just say an unexpected meeting, or you have a mild headache, or anything like that. What are you going to do? You always feel like, oh my god, life does this to me. I wanted to work out, but let's see what happened. No, actually you have to take things around. You have to think, you have to plan it there and then. That is exactly what it is teaching us. What you can do is you can do 15 minutes of workout. You can do some breathing exercise. You can actually go for a walk. That is going to help your problem out, not by just, victimizing yourself that, oh my God, I wanted to work out, but this has happened. No, that was a test and you will fail miserably. You have to pass the test, which I think Hobbit does, and then he gets out of the situation. That is a different thing. He gets a ring, but we have a ring of positivity around us, right? Next point is looking for validation. Now let's be honest, we all are looking for some kind of validation. If you're working, you're looking for validation from your manager. If you have your own business, you're looking for validation from your clients. And here in this movie, Hobbit: An Unexpected Journey, Hobbit is actually looking for validation from all the dwarfs. He's the one who is the least adventurous, and he's on this most adventurous thing in his life. So of course he is looking for validation. But what happens in the end is he gets that validation. He gets to see those people turn around and come and compliment him. Well, this is also life. If you're looking for validation, look for it, but don't expect things to happen very, very quickly. You have to work hard. You have to show sometimes that you are on the right path, and maybe life will validate you. Which actually brings me to my next, expect the unexpected. The title of the movie is Hobbit: An Unexpected Journey. And if you are one of those who expects a lot out of situation, work, or people, it may disappoint you. Now, 2020 is the most unexpected year of our all lives. I mean, who would have thought that everybody is going to be sitting home? Some are going to be right there on the ground working for all of us. But this is what life gave us. Maybe it's time for a robotic life to take a pause and think where you're going, or think about new things. If you have less expectations, you will be much more happier person. Trust me. Also, to think about it, our obsession with future planning has actually made us think, is it necessary? Is it important to think so much about future where you actually cannot concentrate on your present? So again, which is not in our hands, you have to leave it to universe. That brings to my point, expect the unexpected. Alright guys, I hope you like this video. This movie actually gave me a lot of learning, and I have to still go through second and third part. Good thing that it is actually coming in 4K Blu-ray set. So you're going to see much more beautiful, much more clear, much more amazing effects in the movie, which itself, I think it came in 2012 and it showed us something different. So it couldn't be the better timing, right? So I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, share, and subscribe, guys. And I hope you learned something from this video like I did from the movie Hobbit: An Unexpected Journey.